Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I showed you the part 3 on how to open the other side and operate the washing machine. So I'm going to go ahead and read through the user manual. We have the other side where we have to change it for you. So this part here, it's the very important part about the unboxing. So you can see here, I was able to change the transportation bolts and remove them. Yes, so the other video I'm going to show you how to connect this part, and also I'll show you this down part. So we have the pipe which you can store inside here before using it. So I'll show you everything. So these are the bolts that I removed in the previous video, and we have our filter here. I'll show you how to open it. So I'm going to go ahead and read the user manual, and I'll show you how these programs operate. We have a few weeks to come. Also, we have this side for the soap, the detergents that we are going to put. So thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.